How to report Reels ad on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You will just go first and open your Instagram account. Then when your Instagram account, I will go to Reels icon where I can find Reels videos. I will, for example, look for ad. If I found, for example, I am looking, mm, then for example I found this reels, it's an ad, I want to report it. I will just go here to this 3 point, then I will click report ad, and they will said why do you want to report this ad. For example, it's a spam like this, and that's it, I report it. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next